Good morning, traders, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setup for today. So this wedge for me is still on. Okay, we obviously want to see a breakout of the wedge for it to be validated, but I think the key element here is we have a potential double top here. Obviously, we need to break below the neckline of the double top, which is 23,109, for that double top to be validated. So oscillators are starting to creep into the area. I have brought in a stochastic MACD indicator just for one reason and one reason only, just to highlight the divergence. So you can see there is price there, okay, and you can see high, higher high, and if we draw a trend line along the oscillator, you'll see high, lower high. The other thing that is pretty obvious at the moment, and that is this little wedge here. Okay, and if you look at the oscillator, pointing down, prices moving up, pointing down, that is a classic wedge setup. Okay, whenever you've got oscillators showing diversions and you've got a wedge pattern, you've got a fairly strong probability of it moving to the downside. Where are you expecting it to move to? More than likely come and test the bottom of this range. Okay, so I'm saying range at the moment, that's what it is. Back to the bottom of the range. If we do get to 50% of the range and start turning again, that's also an opportunity to be long. So right now, just going to work off the 3-hour chart a little bit easier. Trend is up. We have visited the lows here. We've broken up. Moving averages are still pointing up. Oscillators at the moment are begging to differ. So they are saying we're at overbought levels and we should be looking to take profit, or alternatively look for short scalps right now. And that's exactly what I'd be looking at right now. So just coming down to the hour, pretty much the same scenario at the moment. So what we're looking for at the moment on the European Open is, I'd like to see whether we get a crossover the moving averages. If I look at the oscillators, that may not happen. For as long as we're above the zero on the stochastic MACD, we're also in an upward trend. So obviously you want to see a breakthrough, want to see a retest, and the retest needs to fail. In other words, mustn't go back above and create a new high, needs to create a lower high. And then we can start looking for opportunities to short this market. But for now, the trend is up, and we are range bound, so I'm a little bit skeptical of jumping in with longs in this area where we are now. So I prefer to look for opportunities to the downside. So this trend line here, which we have on the hour, you can see there's a couple of scenarios here. So that was the original trend line from yesterday. We dropped below it, we trailed up, bumping ahead again, and then we fell off. So this could be seen as a test of the original trend line. Let's tidy it up a little bit. Okay, so we could be seeing a test of the original trend line. We could also see that as a break to the upside of the original wedge that we had. Okay, so at the moment it is really confusing as far as I'm concerned. So what we're looking at here is get rid of all the diagonals, focus on the horizontals. We are top of range right now with the possibility of breaking to the upside. Okay, so we're looking for breaks now below fractal levels on the hour, and this is the first fractal that I'd be looking for right here. Okay, that's 23,798. Break below that on the hour and a close below that on the hour is going to prickle a little bit of interest, short interest for me. Okay, for now, this is probably just a little bit of a pullback and going back up to test the highs again. It's more than likely what will transpire. Markets were up yesterday, and we were up pretty much 3% yesterday. But what's transpiring now is oil's back up 2.5% this morning, and if I look at the current futures markets, pretty much up 0.5%, 0.46% on the Dow at the moment. yeah, so I wouldn't read too much into what we see at the moment, apart from the fact that we're top of range. I'm really, really skeptical about jumping in on longs at the moment. I'd like to see a bit of a deeper pullback before we get in on any longs. Lastly, 12 minutes is obviously going to be the chart that I'm going to be looking at. And you can see yesterday was chaotic. Pretty much you had a break here and a retest in this area here. Move it across. So you can see break above moving averages, retest. You had a long entry up here with a stop here. Would have stressed you out coming back to test it not once but twice. That's fairly stressful in my view anyway. And then we had another potential short entry here. But the point that I'm getting at the moment is there's no real direction here. We're big up, big down, big up, big down, big up, big down, big confusion. And this gap up and run to the downside does worry me a little bit at the moment. So yeah, I'm sit on hands right now, I think, and we'll wait for European Open just to see what happens. But if we do start dropping below these fractal levels here, and this is a fairly decent one for me, 23,800 area, then I may just start looking for some shorts. And the shorts target is pretty much bottom of range. Okay, so well, two areas. So the first one will be a Fibonacci retracement. So your 50% Fibonacci, which will be there, and your 61.8% Fibonacci, which will be there. So if we just get rid of the noise again, that'll give you your levels. Okay, so we're looking for a break below 23,800. If we get that, we should tag 23,569. Outside possibility of tagging 23,453. And you can also just line that up to this Brooks gap here. So that'll be 23,439. And then third possibility is bottom of range at 23,147. Okay, so I think because we're at the 50% Fibonacci on the daily, excuse me, so because we're at the 50% Fibonacci on the daily, we do have potential for a little bit more downside at the moment. And also potential for a massive downside move as well. So this is all, all propped up at the moment. So the Feds are propping this up. We're in the middle of earnings seasons. Yesterday's earnings was not spectacular, apart from, I don't know what was going on with Apple, but Apple was up 5% yesterday, and no earnings out. But there's so much going on in the market, and I cannot see the economy is recovering as quick as what everybody's thinking at the moment. It just doesn't make sense. There's a lot of people without work. There's a lot of people that will spending power that's going to be missing from the markets at the moment. So, food, yes, we're going to have, the food retailers will probably maintain their profits, but luxury goods and things like that, I really can't see it. It just doesn't make sense. So it doesn't matter which way the government spins it at the moment, it does not make sense. So anyway, let's not get tied into politics. Let's focus on what we see on the charts, and we're looking for breakouts. So if we get breakouts, short it is, and you've got some fairly tight stops here as well. So break here, you're going to have a stop above this fractal level. So it's 125 point stop loss basically. I've used this top level here. So there's your fractal level. Okay, and I'm on the 30-minute chart right now, and I think you can even get down to 15 if you want to. Fractals are the same. 12-minute fractals are exactly the same. So it doesn't really matter. You're looking for a continuation of this to the downside. So yeah, I think that's pretty much my view on this at the moment. If we do break to the upside, okay, which is also a possibility, so it's 23,900. If we sort of get a break above that on a 12-15-minute chart and a close above that, that's going to give you another visit to the top of the range. But yeah, I'm very, very skeptical about being long right at these levels. It doesn't bode well. We're going to need to see a decent breakup and a pullback to come and retest these levels oscillators are going to have to start coming off overbought territory for me to start looking at a long at the moment. So for as long as things like the 3 or 4 hour are sitting like this, I'm not really interested in buying. And you can see every time I've moved to the upside, we've pulled back. So that's what I'm anticipating, pullback. Might not be a deep pullback, might be a shallow pullback, but still I'm anticipating a pullback and then an opportunity to be long again. Trend is up, we should be trading with a trend, but not really interested in trading with a trend when charts look like this. I'd rather wait for the pullback. Okay, anyway guys, that's my view this morning. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.